can't find the equation for this thing. I forgot to find this equation. This is important. Guess what? I found the equation.
Eureka!
Here it is. Wave speed equals to frequency times the wavelength. And here is the equation. In this video, I've been talking about the 7 most important parts of the electromagnetic spectrum. Firstly, we should be talking about radio waves. Radio waves are the lowest frequency, meaning has the least amount of energy. Also, we use radio waves for mobile phones. For example, my brick. Radio waves range from 1 millimeter to 100 kilometers. Also, they're made from astronomical objects such as quasars, which emit very high pulses of radio waves. Artificial generated radio waves are used for fixed systems such as communication satellites, radar, and other navigational satellites. Did you know that microscopes can be used to measure how old the universe is? Did you know the universe is 13.7 billion years old? That can be calculated using CMBO, which stands for Cosmic Microwave Background Radiation, which was actually discovered by some astronomers in America.
Okay. From the Big Bang, the universe was contracted into this very small amount of space, and the light and the waves of the light is very, very short. The wavelength is very short, so very high energy waves. As the universe expanded, imagine a balloon that you're blowing up, and you have the line on the balloon, and you're expanding the universe, and then you see the lines getting longer and longer. And at this stage now, microwaves is at that stage, and that is CMB.
Say it, James. Say it.
The distance between the two peaks on the wave is called the wavelength, and the frequency, so how often the peaks are, is measured in hertz.
Very good, James.
And the higher the frequency, the more energy there is in the wave.
Very good, James.
Yes, mates.
Its spectrum is infrared waves. Infra means below, so the frequency is just below that of visible red light. You probably think of infrared waves as heat because they're often given off by hot objects, and you can feel them as warmth on your skin. Infrared waves are also given off by stars, lamps, flames, and anything else that's warm, including you. The detector on this security light picks up the infrared radiation from your body.
Infrared waves are called IR for short. They are used for many tasks, for example, remote controls for TVs and video recorders, and for psychotherapists. Use heat lamp. They use heat lamps to help heal sporting injuries. Infrared also uses a short range communication, for example, between mobile phones for your Dolby Screen Talk headset system in some cinemas. Because every object gives off IR waves, you can use them to see in the dark. Night sights for weapons sometimes use sensitive IR detectors. It might surprise you to know that you probably have an infrared sensitive camera now in your pocket right now. CCD chips are used as pickup devices in digital cameras, including camcorders and mobile phone cameras. In fact, CCD chips can filter on it to stop most of infrared from messing up the picture. But the photo shows that enough gets through to tell if a TV remote is working or not. Try it. It's a handy diagnostic tool in your pocket. Oh dear, this stuff is really complicated. I cannot understand the visible light spectrum, and this is really hard to understand. The best thing to do, I think, is to call James. So, let's call James. Call him now and see if he can explain the wavelengths and things. Oh, hello, James.
Hi, Subin. How can I help you?
Can you explain things about the frequency and, about things about visible light? Because I'm really stuck.
Okay, sure. I'll look it up.
Okay, James. So, James, what have you found?
It ranges from 380 nanometers, which is violet, to red, which has the longest wavelength, which is around 700 nanometers.
Cheers, James.
Will that help you?
Yeah, that'll help me. What about the frequency, James?
I'll have to look that up.
Okay.
Yeah, yes, I have. It ranges from 4 hertz to 7.5 times 10 to the power of 14 hertz.
Wow, that is quite small, isn't it, James?
Yeah,
Extraordinary how we can see this visible light.
yeah,
So, so visible light is what we see to the human naked eye, isn't that right, James?
yeah. And we can split white light into all the different colours using a prism.
Oh yes, I know about this. This is Isaac Newton did an experiment, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He also shoved a glass rod into his eye.
Ouch, that was very unfortunate of him. Quite the very unfortunate.
Alright, see you later.
It's okay. Bye, James.
Bye.
Thanks, James.
Bye.
Bye.